I love how Young Living listens to their members. Members have been asking for little kind of on the go themed kits of oils to take with us places. So Young Living answered, and not only did they come out with one, they came out with four. So thank you, Young Living, for listening to us. This is so exciting. They all come in cute little zipper bags with pouches, little slots for the oils, and each one of them has one of the aroma rings in it. So some come with Aroma Ease, some come with lavender, and each set has at least three oils. So the themes, and I'll put the graphics up, but the themes are Serenity Now, Mind Over Matter, To the Rescue, and Wish You Well. So each one of those, the name kind of gives you an idea of what they do. I'll let you look at those graphics to see what's in them, but I am super excited that we have these easy options to just grab and take with us.